Top advantages of aluminium kitchen cabinets. Dear friends, when it comes to designing a modern and functional kitchen, the choice of materials plays a crucial role. One of the emerging trends in kitchen design is using aluminium kitchen cabinets. Renowned for their sleek appearance and practical benefits, these cabinets offer a range of advantages that make them a popular choice for homeowners. Here are the top benefits of opting for aluminium kitchen cabinets. 1. Aesthetic appeal. It is highly effective in building glossy, robust, stylish and appealing kitchen cabinets that complement advanced modular kitchen designs. 2. Minimum maintenance. Aluminium kitchen cabinets and countertops are easy to clean, and you do not need to worry about frequent maintenance. 3. Durability. It is common these days for the best home interior designers to use aluminium for kitchen cabinets, mainly for its durability. This is because the material does not rust, is very corrosion resistant and can withstand the most challenging weather conditions. Furthermore, they also come with chemical and fire resistance properties. These factors will ensure a long lifespan for your modular kitchen cabinets. 4. Waterproof. The kitchen is undoubtedly one of the main spaces inside your house where moisture content prevails most of the time. This is one major reason why dampness makes kitchens constructed with wood-based materials easily hampered. Getting aluminium-based kitchen cabinets is highly recommended for their non-porous nature and waterproof quality. 5. Nature-friendly. Aluminium is recyclable, making it an eco-friendly choice for constructing your kitchen cabinets. 6. Fire safety. Even with proper care and attention, there are times when we cannot rest assured of any mishaps. Especially the kitchen is a place with inflammable items such as cooking gas, oil, alcohol and electric kitchen appliances. In this context, aluminium fabricated kitchen cabinets prove to be the best fireproof safety option compared to inflammable plywood kitchen cabinets. 7. Fits with any room size. One of the best advantages of getting aluminium kitchen cabinets is that you can easily customize the shapes to fit into the room, regardless of size. Be it a small modular kitchen or a broadly spaced one, you can conveniently place the aluminium-based cabinets and countertops per your requirements. 8. Looks and finish. Another significant aspect that the best home interior designers can guarantee you about aluminium kitchen cabinets is their looks and finish. Nothing can match the finish when you use lacquered or black painted glass combined with aluminium profiles for your modular kitchen cabinets. Each time you wipe it clean, a fresh new look is assured. 9. Plenty of color options. There are only limited color options for plywood-based kitchen cabinets and countertops. Moreover, you can only select from a short range of pre-designed laminates. On the other hand, there are plenty of color options when it comes to aluminium-based kitchen cabinets. You can go for any desired color that suits your taste and matches the color of your kitchen walls. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more valuable and interesting information, subscribe to Engineer Ajay Lod's channel, How to Make My House.